Here, John, here, I'll make you a chin rest. Hold on, need more. Wait, I'm not done.
Stop! No.
Damn it, John.
Stop! You're getting in my mouth.
Stop, man. We're trying to get a picture.
Oh, then take a goddamn picture. Stop putting my... Stop. I swear to God.
I'm recording all of this. Are you serious?
Stand in my mouth.
No.
Hey, I've had enough of this.
You have to put it on MySpace.
I have to dig myself out.
Where's the bird? Grab his arm. Don't let him dig.
Wait.
What the fuck?
I need the fucking puppet.
Hey, bird. Over here. Hey, over here. Right there.
Oh my God. You see that? I thought it was gonna come out after me too, you dick. I'm stuck on the like 20 pounds of sand over here.
I'm trying to pull you out. No, you have to move the sand.
No, we don't.
Here, okay, stop.
We can get him out.
Wait, let's get one more picture.